Look at what I am running on my phone. This is an autonomous AI agent called VoidClaw, which I built entirely from scratch for you to run locally on any device, and do not underestimate it compared to OpenClaw and Hermes agent. Just look, I have connected it to my Telegram so I can use it through Telegram as well. Just like how you use OpenClaw, this agent can also take complete control of your phone. For example, I told it to open the settings, and it did exactly that. You can see the settings opening on the phone in the background, and it is not just small things either. Whatever you tell your phone to do, it will execute that action, so you can control your phone from anywhere. And the best part is, you can run it completely for free. It also has a web dashboard, so you can use this agent from a browser as well, just like you use OpenClaw. A clean dashboard where your entire chat history is available. You can view everything there, like the number of tokens used, your activity level, and the work you have done. The more you use it, the better it gets. It is a self-evolving agent, very similar to the Hermes agent. It can set up reminders and cron jobs for you. Whatever task you assign to it, it will keep running 24/7. And the moment a reminder time hits, it will send you a message or notification, just like it did for me right here. It can also browse the internet. For example, I gave it a YouTube video URL and asked it to explain what the video was about. And look, it told me exactly what was in that video. And do not think this is only for flagship phones. It is super lightweight, so you can run it on almost any device. I did not design it just for phones either. I built it to run on any system, whether that is Windows, Android, Linux, or Mac. I am currently running it on my Windows PC, and it performs really well. I can ask it anything and get a precise answer, and I can assign it tasks that it will keep executing for me 24/7. So, whatever device you have, go ahead and give this a try. I created this specifically for you. Now, let us install this, first on your phone and then on your PC. To run this agent on your phone, you need the Termux app. The link is in the description, so go ahead and download it from there. Once you have downloaded it, visit my repository. The link is in the description as well. Once you are there, scroll down to the installation section. You will find a command inside the Android installation section. Copy that command. Now, open the Termux app you just downloaded, paste that command into it, and press enter to run it. This will start the VoidClaw installation. Keep in mind the process will take a little longer on Android because Termux has slightly changed how it handles packages, so just be patient and let it finish. Once the installation is complete, the setup wizard will open automatically. You can set everything up here by entering your Telegram bot token and the API key for whichever AI service you want to use. Since I want to run it for free using Ollama, I am going to install Ollama first and then come back to finish the setup. To install Ollama, tap the 3-line icon button and start a new Termux session. In the new session, type pkg install Ollama and hit enter. This will install Ollama on your phone. Once that finishes, type Ollama serve and press enter. This will start the Ollama server, which our agent uses to communicate with Ollama. Now, start another new Termux session. This time, type Ollama sign-in and press enter. It will give you a URL or open a sign-in page in your browser. Log in and click Connect. Once Ollama is connected, we need a Telegram bot token. Open Telegram and go to the bot father channel. Send the message /newbot. When it asks for your bot name, give it any name you like. When it asks for a unique username, give it something unique but make sure it ends with the word bot. Something like VoidAgentBot. After that, it will give you a bot token. Just copy it. Now, go back to Termux, to the session where the setup wizard is still open. Paste your token in there After that, it will ask for the AI provider. Since we installed Ollama, go ahead and select the Ollama option. Next, it will ask which model you want to use. I am going with Gemma 4 Cloud, so pick whichever cloud model you prefer. The setup is now complete. Just press Enter to exit. To start the agent, you can copy the run command right from the screen, just like I am doing, or grab it from the repository. Paste it into Termux and press Enter. This will launch the agent just like it did for me. And there it is. Our personal VoidClaw agent is now running. It is ready to handle any task or message however you want to use it. To access the dashboard, copy the dashboard URL from the screen or grab it from the description. Then, paste it into your browser. The dashboard will open right up and you can start using it however you like. To use Telegram, go back to where you created the bot token and you will find a blue link there. Click on that link and it will take you to your bot. Hit the start button to activate it, and from that point on, whenever you send it a message, it will reply. And to control your phone, you need to connect it with Shizuku. I actually have a video on my channel that covers this, so you can check that out. I have also included connection instructions in the repository, and if you want, let me know in the comments, and I will make a dedicated video covering the full phone control setup with VoidClaw. Now, to run this on your PC, visit the repository regardless of whether you are on Windows, Linux, or Mac. Either clone the repository or download the zip file, whichever you prefer. If you cloned it, open the cloned folder. If you downloaded the zip, extract it and open the folder for your system. Since I am on Windows, I opened the Windows folder. Click on install.bat. This will start the installation. It will take a moment, so just wait for it to finish. Once the installation is done, the setup wizard will open again. Paste your Telegram bot token. Select your AI provider just like we did on the phone. I will go with Ollama. Then select your model, and the setup is complete. Keep pressing Enter to exit. Now, open the run file. This will launch the agent and open the web dashboard right on your PC. You can use it from there, or if you prefer, just go back to your terminal and use it from the command line. For Mac or Linux, you can follow the installation steps in the repository, or just go to the folder for your system and run the terminal from there. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more agentic AI videos like this. If you want to suggest a new feature, drop it in the comments and I will do my best to add it. And if you run into any errors during installation or setup, let me know in the comments as well. I will do my best to help you out.